akụ ofu ebe ekiri mmanwụ, meaning that you don't stay at a spot to watch masquerade. In that case, you have to change locations most times. So if what you are doing here is not favoring you, if you are no longer seeing the outcome or you are no longer seeing the progress of what you are doing at this particular point, you have to move, because you can't stay at a particular place to watch masquerade, because at a point masquerade goes far. So if you are not closer, you will not see it. So you need to move as the masquerade is moving. Aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ mmanụ mmanụ. If you work hard, you will eat. That is the simple explanation, because they say that there is no food for a lazy man. Egbe bere, ugo bere, nke si ibe ya ebela ka nku kwaa ya. The explanation is this general term or word, that the sky is so wide to accommodate everyone. So you do your thing and allow other people to do theirs.